Now see, this table is applicable for a firm which is into a non-financial business. Non-financial means that the business is not to invest into particular assets and receive dividend or interest. The business might be manufacturing or service industry, and then they are either paying dividends or receiving dividends. Now see, with US GAAP, there is a very simple technique that dividend paid, interest paid, dividend received, interest received, taxes related to these activities, operating activities, and taxes related to financing activities, all of them are cash flow from operations, except dividend paid, which would be cash flow from financing activities. So the best way to remember what is the treatment in US GAAP, just remember that dividend paid are cash flow from financing, rest all is cash flow from operations activity. Whereas in IFRS, the numbers are more logical. So when I pay dividend, I am paying dividend because I have taken equity capital. So because equity capital is cash flow from financing, ideally dividend paid should have been cash flow from financing. So IFRS will give you a choice, CFO or CFF.
If two companies in same group, they apply different method, how can we match?
You will have to do certain calculations. You are saying two companies using IFRS use different methods.
Yeah, same IFRS.
Yes, then you will have to make changes.
Like two same companies manufacturing same products.
There would be disclosure as to what has been treated as what, and based on the disclosures.
One is the CFO, one is the CFF. How should we match?
Reduce it from here and add it there. Again, interest paid, I am paying interest because I have taken loan. So CFF or CFO. Dividend received, I am receiving dividend because I must have invested into certain stocks. So CFI or CFO. I am receiving interest because I have invested into certain bonds. CFI or CFO. Taxes paid in relation to operating activities. CFO. Taxes paid related to investment activities. CFI. Financing activities. CFF. So the way to remember IFRS is that it's something which is logical, and the way to remember US GAAP is that everything is cash flow from operations except dividend paid. So let's test now. Rohit, dividend received IFRS.
CFO and CF.
CFO or CF? I'm asking IFRS. CFO or CF? Dividend received. CFO or CFI? Because I will receive dividend because I have made investment. Interest paid IFRS. I am paying interest because I have taken bank loan, which means CFF or CFO. Interest, dividend paid US GAAP. US GAAP, dividend paid. CFF, that's the only exception. Dividend received, US GAAP. CFO. Interest paid, US GAAP. CFO. Interest received, US GAAP. Interest received, IFRS. CFO or CFI. So it's primarily interest which is the most important component, this one. And when you start solving questions, you realize that there would be n number of questions where this knowledge would be tested. So please remember that interest paid in US GAAP is treated as cash flow from operations. So I think with this your